TitanSec is the cybersecurity club for St. Petersburg College. They have a blast.
The competitions that we do are extremely fun.
It makes it fun because you're actually learning.
It can only benefit you.
Our main focus is to get hands-on experience for our students so that when they go out to interview, they have the confidence and understanding of what they're going to be talking about.
The competitions are very competitive. They are challenging. They kind of get you to learn how to work with others in a team in a way that employers are looking for.
Joining the club can help you greatly because you get the real world experience. You get to meet a bunch of people. You're meeting people in the industry, people who work in the field. You get to learn things.
One of the things that you get from is the camaraderie. Being that we're all in different stages of our learning, we actually pitch in to help those that may be less experienced. It makes it fun because you're actually learning, and the avenue that you're learning is through hands-on.
So tell me about your job offer.
Oh, yeah, so my job opportunity is with AT&T. I will be moving to Atlanta when I'm finished with school in July. It's as a network engineer in their technology development program.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Atlanta's a great
Yeah.
town.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you.